You're watching St. Louis's Newsroom. This is coverage you can count on.
An all-you-can-eat sushi opportunity, and the winner walks away with a big prize. That last bite was likely painful, but Pat Owens had eaten his way all the way to Japan. Pat downed 99 California rolls in 10 minutes. That's about 7 pounds worth. Now Wasabi Downtown is rewarding him with a trip to Japan. I think the other folks after that were going, why did I do this to myself?
Reminds me of my dad sitting down with a can of sardines and a stack of crackers. Ooh. How do you do it?